Hi, I'm Virgil Holland. I'm the program coordinator for Welding Technology here at West Kentucky Community and Technical College. I'm a teacher that's been here for over 20 years now. It's important for technical teachers to win those awards. It's a good thing for students to see that people in our fields of study get rewarded and appreciated in ways that a lot of times they get overlooked because of the sheer volume of students that are involved in the other general education classes. And those teachers work just as hard as everyone else in education. The supply and demand for our trades is really a big factor right now. There are many positions open, and there are going to be many more in the upcoming years. And we have an infrastructure that is in desperate need of repair and replacement. So the gap is very large right now. There are problems that have to be solved that there's not always an easy solution to, and creative thought has to go into creative solutions to take care of things that they're going to encounter. Anyone can understand how to ride a bike, but it's different to actually ride the bike. It's one thing to understand. You've got to balance, you got to steer, you've got to pedal, but until you do it yourself, you're not experienced doing it. So I try to give the students as much experience in here while they're a student as I can. It's hard to get them ready for everything they're going to encounter, but we try to get them ready for everything that we can.